Failing the Microsoft Fabric Data Engineer Associate Certification exam isn't usually because candidates don't study. It's because they haven't practiced with scenarios that accurately reflect the real exam. In this video, you'll test yourself with authentic DP-700 practice questions created for Microsoft Fabric data engineers and certification candidates. By the end, you'll not only know the correct answers, but also understand the reasoning behind them, helping you feel more confident on exam day. Each question is designed to mirror the style and difficulty of the real DP-700 exam. Read carefully, pause the video if you need more time, choose your answer, and then compare your reasoning with the explanation. Let's begin. Question number 1. You have a Microsoft Fabric workspace containing a Lakehouse. A data pipeline loads customer data into Delta tables every hour. Business users report that Power BI reports occasionally display duplicate customer records. Which solution provides the most reliable way to prevent duplicate records during ingestion? A. Append data to the Delta table. B. Use copy into for every load. C. Delete all rows before every load. D. Use a merge operation based on the business key. Pause for 5 seconds and choose the correct answer. The correct answer is D. Use a merge operation based on the business key. Merge performs an upsert operation by matching existing records using a unique key. It updates existing rows and inserts new ones, making it the preferred approach for incremental data loading into Delta tables. Simply appending data creates duplicates, while deleting the table before each load is inefficient and risky. Question 2. A Spark notebook processes several terabytes of data. The job frequently fails because executors run out of memory. Which action should be attempted first? A. Increase executor memory. B. Replace Spark with Dataflow Gen 2. C. Convert all tables to CSV. D. Disable partitioning. Pause for 5 seconds and choose the correct answer. Correct answer A. Increase executor memory. Executor memory is often the first tuning parameter when Spark workloads experience memory-related failures. After that, you might optimize partitioning, caching, or shuffle operations. Converting data formats or disabling partitioning generally reduces performance rather than improving it. If you're finding these questions useful, it's worth practicing with a larger collection of exam-style questions. Resources like searchhero.com. Practice questions can help you experience different scenarios across all DP-700 exam topics while identifying areas that need more review. Question number 3. A data engineering solution requires storing raw files exactly as received while also supporting optimized analytics. Which Microsoft Fabric storage approach best satisfies both requirements? A. Store everything inside a warehouse. B. Use OneLake with a Lakehouse. C. Store files only inside Power BI. D. Export data into Azure SQL database. Pause for 5 seconds and choose the correct answer. Correct answer B. Use OneLake with a Lakehouse. A Lakehouse combines low-cost storage for raw files with optimized Delta tables for analytics. This architecture is a core capability within Microsoft Fabric and is frequently tested in the DP-700 certification exam. Question number 4. A data warehouse contains sensitive financial information. Only authorized users should view confidential columns while other users continue accessing remaining data. Which solution is most appropriate? A. Workspace roles. B. Row-level security. C. Column-level security. D. Delete confidential columns. Pause for 5 seconds and choose the correct answer. Correct answer C. Column-level security. Explanation. Column-level security protects specific columns while allowing broader access to the rest of the dataset. Workspace roles manage permissions at the workspace level, whereas row-level security filters rows rather than individual columns. Question 5. You have a Fabric workspace that contains a Lakehouse named Lakehouse 1. Lakehouse 1 contains a table named Table 1. You need to ensure that a user named User 1 can view only specific rows in Table 1. What should you do first? A. Create a security predicate. B. Create a function. C. Create a security policy. D. Grant user 1 the select permission for table 1. Pause for 5 seconds and choose the correct answer. Correct answer: B. Create a function. Explanation: in Microsoft Fabric SQL Analytics Endpoint/Lakehouse, row-level security (RLS) is implemented by first creating an inline table-valued function that defines the filtering logic, security predicate. After that, you create a security policy that applies the function to the table. Remember, this exam doesn't simply test whether you recognize Microsoft Fabric features. It evaluates whether you can choose the best solution for a real-world business scenario. Pay close attention to words like best, most appropriate, and first, because they often determine the correct answer. Today, you worked through 5 challenging practice questions. This is only the beginning. In upcoming videos, we'll cover many more exam-level scenarios to help you prepare with confidence. If you're aiming to pass the DP-700 exam on your first attempt, consistent practice is one of the best ways to build confidence. Visit searchhero.com for a comprehensive collection of realistic DP-700 practice questions. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss our next Microsoft certification practice video. Thanks for watching, and best of luck on your DP-700 exam. We'll see you in the next video.